Okay, folks, today is day 5 of the Ocean Alexander. It sat here for the Fort Lauderdale boat show. So today we're going to take the boat from, our final destination is Charleston. So we'll see how far we get today. We don't have a plan. We got like Stuart, Florida is where we want to get to today. So we'll see what happens here and how far we can get. We're going to go take on some fuel over at Fort Lauderdale. But the show, you can see, it's just about, and they move fast. This show was on Sunday. Here it is Tuesday morning, actually. I flew in at midnight last night. I got here. And then, like I said, today we're going to take off in her again and take her to her home port. Hopefully he'll get a phone call and one of the guys that looked at the boat will be buying the boat. But absolutely gorgeous boat. 48-foot Ocean Alexander. Perfect, Joel. Keep going out, though, a little further. Okay, we're clear of the pylons. We're the Nordhaven. That's what the Nordhavens were parked right there. Did you see? Oh, I think they were already pre-sold though. I don't think there's any.
They slowed down and got on the small stuff back here. All these little,
What about the big Hatteras, the one that was over there left?
Yeah, he cranked up and got out. He was late, but he got out.
Did he?
Detroit's clicking.
Did he sell it? Yeah, goodbye, Fort Lauderdale boat show. Hello, Charleston. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna go back over here to Fort Lauderdale, take on some fuel. Well, we say goodbye to the mega yachts today, Joel. We say goodbye to all the mega yachts. Yeah, look at them just everywhere. So anyway, there's a shot that I couldn't. Look at that beautiful sunrise this morning. Money there, ain't there, Joel? Look at that. Woo. Yeah, that's good old thing. So we're messing with the autopilot, and now we have it actually following the route. So we created a route and then put it on follow route, and it just had to make this turn right here. So we were checking on it, and it did great. Got a shrimp trawl out here. Got his doors up. Little, PMC off the starboard. Would not be out here in, let's say, like a 39-foot, the 40-foot main ship. I'd be on the intercoastal if I was doing this. I would not come out here today. But in this 50-foot Alexander, it's nothing. No big deal at all. Head into Stewart, and then we'll probably do some intercoastal tomorrow. See how far we get down the intercoastal. And I think we're going to pop back out, go around Georgia, and jump back in right about Hilton Head. Not going there, but we still got plenty of daylight. Seas are fairly calm with probably about a 4-foot swell, about about 8 seconds apart, and so it's not bad out here. So we're just going to stay out here and knock out another 20 or so miles and go in at Fort Pierce now. See the boats coming into the channel. There's the channel right there. On the outside, it's just so much easier. Go on the bridges. This guy's gonna do. Breakwater right there?
Yes, James. Yeah, we're not.
I'm gonna have to take it probably off of auto and steer around that red marker right there, unless it's gonna take us around that red marker. Well, we're not going to that red marker. We're going to that green one right there, so that's fine.
Alex, go to where?
See the green one right there? So it's going to turn us between the red and the green.
Sailfish Marina, Sailfish Marina. Oh, yeah,
to put this on the dock right over there. I want to turn it around.
Call them on the radio.
Yeah, what was the name of it?
1668.
No, do you remember the name of the marina? Harbor Marina, Harbor Marina. This is Scooby-Doo, and we are pulling up to your dock. At the third T head.
Move to 17.
Nice and easy, lots of wind, lots of current. See the natural breeze is just pushing me right into the dock, and I don't want to hit it too fast. Can't complain. Think I'm all right to kill the fuel, Joel?
Yeah, we didn't burn enough fuel. They just let it run all night. Shit.
Okay, folks, so tonight we are stopped at Fort Pierce, Florida. We're right at the inlet right here. So that's the inlet going out right there. You can see that current just moving, just whipping through here. So anyway, we're gonna go up and have some hors d'oeuvres at the restaurant. Call it a night. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Share it with your friends. I do appreciate it. And let me know, man. Sometime anybody wants a crew, you just let me know. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it. Bye.